Do you want to learn how to make the best homemade egg rolls? Watch this video. Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we're going to be making egg rolls, and I have all the ingredients required to make this recipe. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't followed this page, please do well and follow this page. You won't be disappointed. Okay, so without any further ado, please let's dive into this video. I have my pot here. I have about 15 eggs here, and we're going to be adding water, and we're going to be adding some salt. So I have my empty bowl here. For this recipe, we are using plain flour, and we are using about 6 cups of flour. After that, the next thing we'll be adding will be baking powder. Here we'll have half a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter of a teaspoon. Half a cup of brown sugar. For aroma, we need a tiny pinch of curry. This is optional. Half a teaspoon of salt. Nutmeg, equally optional. We mix this together and put aside. We're adding our butter, 120 grams, and it's at room temperature. So you want to mix, and make sure everything is beautifully combined. For 6 cups of flour, we need about 3 eggs, and you can always adjust this to your preference. After mixing the eggs, I'm going to go ahead and make a hole at the center of my bowl. Pour the egg mix into the flour. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and we're going to mix to combine. With clean hands, mix your dough. At this point, we're going to be adding in our fresh milk, and you want to make sure you add this bit by bit so as not to overdo this. After mixing our dough, we're going to go ahead and cover with clean towel and allow to rest for 15 to 25 minutes. At this time, our eggs are done, and we're going to run a cold water on our eggs for easy peeling. This process is very important. You want to take your time to peel your eggs. Pat dry with paper towel for excess water. After 25 minutes, your dough should look something close to this. This is exactly the consistency we are looking for. Sprinkling some flour on a clean and dry surface so it will be easy to work with the dough. Next, cut the dough into 15 pieces. This is how everything looks after cutting. With the help of rolling pin, we are going to start working with the dough. Flatten the dough as much as possible, but please don't overdo this so your egg won't stick out. Place the egg at the center of the dough and seal properly. Sprinkling a little bit of flour on a flat plate to avoid sticking on the plate when you want to fry them. And I'll be doing this one by one until everything is properly done. We have about 17 doughs in all. If you have watched till this moment, you are just amazing. And thank you so much. Please follow my page, share my videos, and please turn on your notifications to all my videos. Thanks, lovelies. Add oil in the pan. You want to be generous with your oil. Allow to heat up before frying. Checking if it's hot enough, and yes, it is. I'm going to be adding about 5 to 6 egg rolls as to give them space to fry properly. Constantly check on your egg rolls to avoid burning or not frying properly. This is how your egg roll should look after frying. And I'll continue to do so until everything is properly done. This is the finished part of this recipe, and it turned out beautifully and so yummy. Please don't forget to like this video, share my videos. Until I see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.